And here we go again with yet another video tour of another car for the Videoholic. And this is the first one I've done for YouTube exclusively, and the first one I'm doing in high definition, in widescreen. Our newest car is a 2003 Cadillac Seville STS touring sedan. That's a mouthful. This is a hell of a car. I'm also shooting this at night, which is why everything is kind of dim, and the car is like half in the garage, half out. I've never done this in the garage before, but if I wait for a sunny day in Cleveland, it'll be about a 4-month wait. So I did want to get this up on YouTube and Facebook, though, to show what a gorgeous, gorgeous car this is. This is called Diamond White, and it's got a really nice finish to it. I think they waxed the car before they put it on the lot. I just bought this 3 days ago on January the 22nd of 2011, and this thing is in really, really pristine shape. It's got a working sunroof. The interior is what really got me on this car. Absolutely like new. This is so clean, you can almost say it's pitiful. The door, usual GM controls. This has got leather seats and they're heated. I can't tell if they get very hot or not, but they are heated seats. And let me get in the back seat and show the dashboard. It's really, really cool. Here's the view from the back seat. I just love this. A lot of wood grain, and it's actually kind of like an off-white interior with a really cool center console, which I'll show when it's all lit up and turned on and all that. And really, really cool. Got all kind of stuff up here. It's even got controls in the bottom of the mirror. And this car is absolutely loaded. Let's show the car now when we turn it on. Okay, we are in a totally no light situation here. I'm sitting inside the car. All the lights in the garage are turned off. I wanted to show you what it looks like when I turn on the ignition. When I turn the car to on. I'm not going to turn the ignition on now. This is what I get. This is actually an analog and digital dash, and it's actually got a display mode where you can shut the analog off, or shut the digital off, or have both, which I think is kind of neat. You actually have a choice of which one to have. I have them both on all the time, but I like your standard gauges, white with a bright red pointer. And I have what I love so much, the Driver Information Center, which tells you all kind of information about the car. And a lot of my cars have had this, including the Park Avenue that I traded for this thing. This is where you can actually program certain operations of the car, which I've already done. Yes, it has a provision for a cell phone in here, believe it or not. These are all the different parameters that you can see on the Driver Information Center. Now this is the Touring Sedan edition, or model, so this is made for long drives. And there we go. Interesting thing is, if I keep it on the outside temp, after a couple seconds it vanishes, and you get the outside temp. This is what the center console looks like. And of course the video camera is not seeing it as well as my eyes see it. But a lot of stuff here. Let me turn on the interior lights, if I can find them. The interior light switch is way up here, oddly enough, and above the center console, and you get not one but 3 reading lights, which is kind of, oh, these actually get brighter. Isn't that interesting? That's kind of cool. And of course you have the usual lights in the door and all that, and on the kick panels. But this is the center console when it's lit up. This is the this actually has both cassette and CD, which is great because I still use cassettes, and of course I have CDs, so for me this is perfect. Got cassette, CD, AM, FM, and it's got built-in XM if you want to activate it. Down here are the heater controls. and you actually have a choice of driver or passenger side. I just activated the passenger temp, which I can shut off. This is the driver's side. Too bad there's not more light in here. I'll have to do this during the day sometime. And this is really great. Here's the gear shift. Somebody asked me if there's a cup holder in this car. Well, right below the gear shift is, guess what? Push a little door and there they are. They fly out. These actually fold and just kind of fly out at you. Here's two cup holders. Got the usual center console. Whoop. Okay. In the center console, the center console is right here. It's got like a little storage compartment on top, but guess what's below it, gang? Right here, I have a 6-disc CD changer. That's right. This actually holds 6 CDs, and it's right built into the center console. Very cool. Very cool. I also have, let's see, where am I here? Over here, that is a heated seat control for the driver, heated seat control for the passenger. I really couldn't tell very much difference with this thing on or off, so I'm not even sure if it's working. But so much stuff in this car. It's got, you can't see it because there's no light, but it's got a programmable garage door opener deal up there. And what I like too is on the door you have all these lights for the windows and the lock and everything above it. And this also has a memory for drivers number 1 and 2, so you can have the seat come up to wherever you want it when you get in the car or when you exit the car. So thing is loaded. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Got a typical Cadillac ride. Here's some controls on the steering wheel. END is for OnStar. It's got built-in OnStar again if you want to activate it. Over here we have a remote volume and select. I think it's for your source, CD, cassette, or tape, or radio. So, loaded car. Just for the record, there's the mileage. I put about 150 miles on this thing since I bought it. So I bought it like 74,200 and something. There's a trip odometer. And that's it. I'll have to do a tour of this car in the sunlight sometime, in daylight, which may be a few weeks away, or months. But I wanted to get some of this onto YouTube and Facebook now. So there's my car, number 21, since I've been owning cars since 1968, a long time ago. Oh yeah, the cruise controls, by the way, are also in the steering wheel. You probably can't even see them. They're down here. So this steering wheel has a lot of extra controls on it, which is really nice. Windshield wipers over here, just a lever. All right, this is the first look at my 2003 Cadillac Seville STS touring sedan. We'll do another tour when we have some daylight and you can really see the interior of the car a lot better. See you soon. Bye-bye.